Chinese nationals celebrates over Japan's ex-Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's assassination. East Turkistan TV News. Ex-Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe was shot while giving a speech on Friday. He unfortunately died hours later in a hospital. Shinzo Abe was Japan's long-serving prime minister and resigned in 2020 due to worsening health. Shinzo Abe brought a number of changes to Japan's economy and also to its military situation. He promoted the alliance with the United States and promoted United States and Japan military cooperation, though it's difficult previously. He was one of the most influential leaders in Japan's post-war history. World leaders pay their deep condolences. President Biden signed a condolences book at Japanese embassy in Washington. He was a fierce supporter of Japan's military, and the country rose as America's trade and defense partner in the face of China's rising threat. Majority people around the world, from leaders to common people, have condemned this coward assassination. However, Chinese people have been celebrating over Shinzo Abe's death. Many Chinese nationals have posted venomous comments and celebratory photos online over the death of Shinzo Abe. Those vicious comments are not only towards the death of Shinzo Abe, but also towards common Japanese people. Today is a great day for joy. I hereby declare I'm super happy today. The news let everyone assure. Tonight make a party and celebrate over Shinzo Abe was gunned down. I'm not satisfied with just Shinzo Abe's death. I hope all male Japanese die out. Then we rape all Japanese girls under 20 years old and then kill them. Warmly celebrate Shinzo Abe shot to death. These kind of malevolent comments are not rare on Chinese social medias. The whole world must have shocked by these vicious and inhuman comments, but Uyghur people from East Turkistan. As Uyghur people have been being victimized by Chinese after the Chinese occupation of East Turkistan. Chinese inhuman character has been well known by Uyghurs and have warned the whole world with the poisonous ideology instilled into Chinese people. They always hope all human will be perished and Chinese dominate the world and carrying out genocide like they have been carrying out against Uyghurs. In regard of the brutal assassination of Japan's great leader Shinzo Abe, the firm supporter of democracy and one of the firm supporters of Uyghurs, East Turkistan Government-in-Exile and all Uyghurs send our deep condolences to Shinzo Abe's family, to Japan, and to Japanese people. We hope Japan will continue their support for Uyghurs, and we urge the world to realize the devil face of China and Chinese people, and support the independence of the East Turkestan for the sake of the world peace and all humans' prosperity. Ultaber from East Turkestan TV News.